Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this 2018 black Hyundai i800. It's a 2.5 litre CRDi SC nav 8-seater bus. It is currently at 52,128 miles and it is a diesel automatic transmission. Lovely vehicle regarding its interior and exterior. We'll start off with the alloy wheels. It's got the 16-inch alloy wheels. Lovely condition of the alloy wheels considering its age and the mileage it's done. There's the third one, and there's the fourth one. It does also include the rear privacy glass at the rear and the tailgate, which I'll show you in a second. Not only that, it comes with the automatic dimming rear view mirrors and the auto headlights with dust sensors. Has front and rear parking sensors with the parking camera at the back, which I'll show you in a second. Also includes the parking guidelines. Not only that, it comes with the sliding doors. I'll just show you inside of the vehicle. Lovely condition of the vehicle inside, as you can see. Lovely interior considering its age and the mileage it's done. Electronic windows, child protection, lock and electronic adjustable wind mirrors. Not only that, fuel cap button, storage compartment and another storage compartment just there. I'll just step inside the vehicle. As you can see, it has a multi-function steering wheel with features such as Bluetooth hands-free and automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Really nice dashboard. It also includes a 7-inch touchscreen display with features such as FM, AM. Also includes Bluetooth integration, tyre pressure monitoring system. Obviously you need to pair your phone. Same with this feature, you need to pair your phone. I'll just show you the sat-nav navigation. There it is. Not only that, has plenty of more features just there and an advanced feature with features such as parking. Not only that, it also comes with the reversing parking camera with parking guidelines. Not only that, it comes with the air conditioning and front heated seats at the driver's and passenger side with 3 different settings, all working fine, as you can see. Lovely condition. Air conditioning just there. Not only that, it comes with the aux and USB port, 12-volt plug socket just there, and a cup holder, 2 cup holders just there, and another 12-volt plug socket. Not only that, it comes with the mechanical parking brake. Lovely condition regarding the interior. I'll just show you the sliding doors. The sliding doors working perfectly fine, as you can see. 3 seats here and another 3 seats here, so 8 seats in total. They also include the ISOFIX seats just there. Plenty of leg space, as you can see. Lovely condition of the vehicle. Not only that, it also includes the air conditioning, a few more lights, air conditioning all the way around the vehicle, which is a really nice feature of the vehicle. 3 more seats just here, plenty of leg space, as you can see. 2 cup holders at either side. There you go. I'll just show you the other sliding doors working perfectly fine as well. As you can see. There you go. 3 more seats there. It also comes with a pretty spacious boot, which I'll show you now. There you go. Really, really big boot. Store luggage, shopping, any items really. Yeah, plenty of space. Val's done a great job cleaning the vehicle, although the vehicle did come in a very good condition anyway. Yeah, plenty of space. Really nice people carrier or a transporter. There's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.